Hello, and welcome to the quizcrib. This is quiz number 2 on world geography. Please subscribe now and then take the 10-question quiz. Here we go. Question number 1. What is the capital city of Argentina? The correct answer is A, Buenos Aires. Question number 2. Which river is the longest in Africa? The correct answer is C, Nile River. Question number 3. In which mountain range is Mount Everest located? The correct answer is B, Himalayas. Question number 4. Which of the following countries is not located in Scandinavia? The correct answer is C, Finland. Question number 5. What is the largest desert in the world by area? The correct answer is C, Antarctic Desert. Question number 6. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is B, Japan. Question number 7. Which strait separates Greenland and Iceland? The correct answer is A, Denmark Strait. Question number 8. Which African country is known as the Pearl of Africa? The correct answer is B, Uganda. Question number 9. In which ocean would you find the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth's surface? The correct answer is C, Pacific Ocean. All right, we just have one more answer to go. The last question is next. Please let us know how many you answered correctly after the last question. The final question, number 10. What is the capital city of Peru? The correct answer is B, Lima. Okay, you finished and got all of them right? Please subscribe and comment how many you answered correctly. Thank you from the quizcrib.